Home equity loan. What are the pros? Let's begin. Pro number 1. Home equity loans are typically easier to qualify for than many other consumer loans. Pro number 2. These loans are secured by the equity in your home, so lenders consider these loans less risky and therefore charge lower interest rates than they do on some other loans. Pro number 3. The terms are longer than many other consumer loans, making monthly payments smaller at the cost of a substantial increase in interest you'll ultimately pay by the time the loan is repaid in full. Pro number 4. You can access the funds immediately, typically in a lump sum. And lastly, pro number 5. Monthly payments are fixed, so surprises are rare. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.
My name is Sheilla Lavadia, and you can always reach us at Sheilla at 𝗙𝗲𝗋𝗶.com or loanteam@𝗙𝗲𝗋𝗶.com. You can also reach us at 425-218-5534.